Hi, this is JP from LeanWisdom. Welcome to the weekend videos series. In this video, I'm going to talk about a negative scenario. Okay, the last few videos that you watched, you would have seen very positive, exciting, energetic, right, result-driven, right, all this. Don't think that every time I go, I get only this, right? You must be thinking, oh, this guy is lucky, right? Every time he goes, he gets a transformation and everybody listens to him, everybody understands. No, there are half a dozen stories I have which are also not so good, right? I also learned a lot of things in those. So one such story is I'm going to share. This is for a very large enterprise, and I was hired as a consultant, right, by the top leader, and then I went there, and I was put into a group of 500 people for a transformation, and specifically to start with around 100 people, right. This organization the top leader wanted to move to SAFe, right, and we started. Yes, I went there and I wanted to discuss. I met the leaders, I met the Agile Release Train level leaders and so on. They're not into SAFe, but as similar roles, right? I met all of them. One person was introduced to me was RTE. This person, when I met this person, even today I have a good relationship with this person, but amazingly wonderful character to be a friend, right? She was a fantastic person, but super waterfall in mindset. I'll give you some examples, right? The first discussion that I had, she asked me, so what do you think we should do if you're launching an art of these 100 people? I said, first thing is, we should come up with an art launch plan, and that consists of 1, 2, 3, 4. And I said, we have to conduct trainings, we have to come up with a plan, when to do PA planning, and how do we march from today till PA planning, what are the few activities we need to do, and so on. She said, how much of time my team will waste? Please watch this point, okay? How much of time my team will waste in training, right? And all these activities in the next 1 quarter or so. That was shocking for me, because if somebody asks me how much of time my team will spend, I'll be happy to answer, but somebody is asking me how much of time my team will waste. Okay? I said, are you asking in hours? She said, yeah, I want to know exactly in hours. I said, I don't know about hours, but I can tell you 50% of your time. I just wanted to give her that message that don't expect change if you don't, spend time and effort on it, right? She said, oh, it's not possible. 50% is too much, right? Then she did a math and then she said, so many thousands of hours for the team. I said, yeah, but your organization needs a change. Change doesn't happen overnight, right? You need to do it. And this is a direct from the leaders, right? And you also need to understand. This is how our conversation started, right? And every step that I take, without any wrong intention, right? Even today, I can 100% be sure that she was not playing politics. She was not trying to kill this initiative and things like that. She was so against Agile. She was so aligned with the traditional thinking because she was working in that way of working for last 15, 20 years. She was not able to change her mindset, right? That's why I said she's a good friend of mine even today, but she could not change. So every step I take forward, she'll put a stop there. She'll come and ask me, oh, this will not work. Oh, that will not work. Oh, PA planning 2 days we can't spare. It's too much of waste of time. Everything, right? One day, I was walking in a corridor. So, an RTE, imagine an RTE saying that, oh, JP, I don't believe in Agile and SAFe. How would it be for the rest of the art, right? That's kind of an RTE, right? So, what result do you expect? Aha results? A wonderful business result? Customer is so happy. Teams are very, very happy. Everybody is satisfied. Exponential business results? Nothing. Because waterfall was pulled every moment inside the surgeon, right? Every moment, right? She will say, guys, this is how we should work. She was like command and control, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, this is how I want you to work, right? She herself did not attend a leading SAFe, right? And she said, oh, no, I'm busy. I have to take somebody to hospital. Some reason she gave and she skipped. So This whole journey was like that, and at the end of the transformation, like after 1 or 2 PIs, things did not work. I communicated this to the leader, the top leader, much earlier, saying that the RTE that you chose is not a right person. If you don't fix this right now, you are going to fall. It's my coaching for you, right? One day, I told the leader that this art will miserably fail. And I am very sure, and it's because of your RTE. Today's billing is for me to tell you this. My billing is done because I told you, right? Now it's your action to take. He could not take action because the organization structure was like that. He didn't have any alternative. Finally, the transformation actually failed. Now the question is, on one side, I have shared some really cool experience where we got exponential business results. On this case, I'm saying that we did not get much business results. We struggled, we failed, right? And they became better than how they were in the past because of SAFe. It's not that they went down, they became better, but they didn't get the result they could have got exponentially. Pretty average, right? And for the efforts they've spent in transformation, it is not giving a result. Now, is that me who's the reason for either the success this side or the failure that side? Not really. It is the leaders who make a difference, right? I strongly believe that leaders will make a huge difference in the transformation, either positive or negative, right? So, I thought I'll share one case study at least to start with a not so great experience where I learned next time what I should do in such cases, right? After that, many assignments, I used to make sure that I will not get into these kind of assignments. I step back instead of just getting and wasting my time, right? I learned. I thought I'll share with you so that you can learn. I'm sure this video will be a good learning for you, and have a great weekend. See you the next week, in the next video. Bye-bye.